Usungkenor kay na bathaw anjong ka jalla obamen ba lengdo lo ipor news ngi yaw Dr. Bukol Sangma ba kawi ki ameli phat seng man Jubab halo ka jing ujor jong ka seng Congress.
The Honourable Speaker has acted on the petition filed by me seeking the disqualification of MLAs who have defected to another party in contravention of the provisions of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India. This is important for us that the office of the Speaker has acted promptly on my petition. The process will move forward in accordance with law, and I am confident that I have justifiable grounds to seek the disqualification of the membership of Dr. Mukul Sangma and others. The Speaker was pleased to provide only 7 days' notice for the respective MLAs to respond. In other words, some sort of a show cause notice came into effect. I, at this stage, do not want to comment further on the subject matter, and we shall open this discussion when the moment is right. It is a significant moment for our party. I have lodged a complaint against all MLAs, barring 2, that is Charles Pungrop and Chitlang Pali. I will also be submitting a petition of a complaint against them as well in a day or 2. In this effort, I also speak for the conscience of others, including the right of the electorate to ensure that their elected representatives do not make a mockery of our democracy. Thank you.